Hey guys, welcome to Titanium Man Garage. Today I'm going to show you how the 6x6 turned out after the transmission rebuilt and other projects I got going on. This thing turned out pretty sweet. And I'm cutting new rear fenders. Starts right up. Yeah, cold day in paradise in Wisconsin. So if you remember in my previous videos, the rear fenders were cracked. I ended up taking rear fenders off of a green Explorer and I cut them to fit. Turned out pretty good. Matched this out. These were missing, so that came off the green Explorer too. Yeah, all turned out pretty good. Low mileage machine, very clean. So now I'm getting back on this 2000 Polaris Sportsman 500. If you remember, the connecting rod was seized up, so I did get myself a nice clean engine here. I think this was actually off a scrambler or another 6x6 because the mounting foot was different. Actually had the mounting foot on the side. So I cleaned this bad boy up. I got a new piston in. I do tend to favor the Nomura pistons. I know some people like them, some people don't. They're reasonably priced. They hold up. I've put them in many machines and I've never had a problem with them. I had a 250 with the same piston in it and I've had it for 8 years. Never had an issue. So I'm just gonna get on this. I gotta clean up my jug, get this bad boy back together. And my next video will probably be of me installing it and putting this thing together so you guys can see what really goes on in the life of Titanium Man Garage. All right, guys, until next time.